Long before smartphones and digital alarms, an entire vocation existed where people paid others to wake them up by tapping on their windows with long sticks. Yes, the knocker-uppers were the human alarm clocks of the Industrial Revolution, employed to rouse sleeping workers for their early morning shifts. Equipped with bamboo poles, batons, or even pea shooters, these individuals would traverse the foggy streets at dawn, ensuring their clients didn't oversleep. This peculiar profession was especially common in Britain and Ireland, where factories and mills required punctuality from their workforce. But here's the twist: who woke up the knocker-uppers? Often, they were night watchmen or people with irregular sleeping patterns, ensuring they were always awake before the crack of dawn. As alarm clocks became more accessible and affordable, this quirky job faded into obscurity, leaving behind a fascinating snapshot of a bygone era where human ingenuity met necessity in the most unexpected ways.